फ्रेंड्स, मैं डॉक्टर शेफाली अग्रवाल आज अपने इस वीडियो में आपसे 2 कॉमन स्टमक डिसऑर्डर्स, जिसे हम इंडाइजेशन और हार्ट बर्न भी कहते हैं, उनसे जुड़ी कुछ होम्योपैथिक दवाइयों के बारे में बात करूंगी। तो व्हाट इज इंडाइजेशन? Indigestion, which is also called as upset stomach or dyspepsia, is a feeling of belching, bloating, distension, growling, pain and burning feeling in your upper abdomen. Now, what are the causes of this indigestion? So, sometimes it can be due to eating too much, eating high fatty foods and eating fast. Other factors can be smoking, drinking too much alcohol, certain medications, stress, anxiety, and obesity. Now, this dyspepsia can be a functional dyspepsia where the no obvious cause is there, and it can be a non-functional dyspepsia where the some obvious cause is there, such as peptic ulcer. It's an ulcer which is present in the inner lining of the stomach and is caused by the acid present in the stomach. It can be due to chronic pancreatitis, where the inflammation of the pancreas causes the cramps, nausea, vomiting and the pain. It can be due to cholecystitis or cholelithiasis, where the inflammation of the gallbladder is present or the gallstone is present. It can be in diabetes, it can be in thyroid disease, it can be due to gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis is a stomach infection which is mostly present due to contaminated food and the water. Now, the functional dyspepsia is generally present due to irritable bowel syndrome. Irritable bowel syndrome is an intestinal disorder which is usually diagnosed on the basis of symptoms only and is present with the constipation, diarrhea, gas or pain in the abdomen. Now, what is heartburn? Heartburn is a burning feeling in your chest or a throat. It occurs when the stomach acid bags into your esophagus, the tube that carries the food from your mouth to the stomach. Generally, a lower esophageal sphincter, a band of muscle that is present around the lower esophagus, closes when the food enters into your stomach. But if it is not working properly, the acid comes into your esophagus and causes the symptoms of heartburn. Heartburn is more common in pregnancy, obesity, smoking, and the persons who lives under constant stress and anxiety. Now, what are the homeopathic medicines we give in these cases of indigestion and the heartburn? So, before homeopathic medicines, what measures we can take to avoid these symptoms? First, eat slowly. Eat small meals. Do not lie down immediately after eating. Wait for 2 to 3 hours before going to bed. Avoid food and beverages that contain caffeine. Avoid spicy foods and high fatty foods. Maintain your weight because obesity increases your chances of heartburn. And the medicines that we give in these cases are first indigestion. The Carboveg comes when there is a belching, bloating and distension is present in your upper abdomen. And these symptoms are relieved by belching. The Carboveg is generally given in 30th potency. The second medicine that comes in cases of indigestion is the Lycopodium. Lycopodium is generally given when the distension and the flatulence is present in your lower part of your abdomen. Here, the symptoms are relieved by passing gas. It is also given in 30th potency. The third medicine that comes is the China or the Cinchona. It is also given in 30th potency. It involves the whole abdomen, and the symptoms are not at all relieved by belching or flatulence or gas. Then the China is also given in 30th potency. Nux vomica is a very good medicine in all the stomach disorders, whether it is related to indigestion or the heartburn. Here, the stomach symptoms, the feeling of fullness is not relieved by passing gas or by stool, and the stomach symptoms are aggravated sometimes after eating. Nux vomica is generally given in 30 potency when the stomach disorders are due to motions which are present 2 to 3 times, and in 200 potency when the indigestion or the stomach problems are present due to constipation. Now, in the cases of heartburn, what are the medicines that we give in cases of heartburn? The first medicine that comes is the Robinia. Here the excessive acidity is present, and it is even present in children. Acid sore irritations are present in Robinia, and it is given in 30th potency. Acid sulf is another medicine where the acidity is marked. Acrid sore irritations are present. It is also given in 30th potency. Natrum phos 6x is present when the yellow coating of the tongue is present with a yellow coating on the posterior roof of your mouth. It is given in 6x potency, 4 tablets 3 or 4 times a day. The argentum nitricum comes when the acidity is aggravated by eating the sweet foods, eating sweets or sweet food. It is also given in 30th potency thrice a day. And we also advise these patients to take milk at small intervals. It decreases the symptoms of acidity or the heartburn. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be back with more videos on diseases and their homeopathic treatment.